Any acting tips from him? Oh, and na-mention earlier ni Direk na wino-workshop ka, di ba? So, paano yun? How was it?
Usually what I would do is when I'm confused with a scene, or mostly, especially sa Tagalog ko, I would ask him how he would attack it or how he would envision this scene, and we would collab together where he made sure that I was still able to experience it myself. So he wasn't trying to control me in terms of ganito, dapat ganito. It was more of guidance just to make sure na dapat you have fun and you learn along the way. That was always the goal.
Thank you. And to the other cast, kay Gab, kay Haya, and kay Jai, you're doing 2 shows sa Viva One. So any adjustments? Halos sabay, di ba? Or nag-overlap ba?
Nag-overlap?
Hindi naman.
Nag-overlap from, may mga times kasi hindi naman masyado marami yung tapings namin sa IOTV. Pero, I mean, medyo mahirap yung adjust. Hindi man sobrang hirap, pero nandun talaga yung parang pagpunta mo sa set sa kabila, parang, ay, teka, hindi pala seryoso, hindi pala sobrang ganito ka-intense si Sean. So, may konting little bit of adjustment, pero, you know, it's the challenge eh. Yun yung challenge eh, yung masaya dun eh. Na pupunta ka sa isang trabaho mo, ito yung ginagawa mo, tapos sa kabila isa. So, yun yung challenge, but you just have to handle it really well, kasi baka malito ka na, mabulong ka na sa pero, ako, yun yung gusto ko talaga na pupunta ka sa isang trabaho mo, ito yung ginagawa mo, tapos ito. Kasi na-challenge ka lalo mentally.
Hey, Gab and Haya.
Yeah, like what Jai said, it was being bad really made me go out of my comfort zone. Kasi ibang-iba siya kay Sevi, like really 180 degree. Sevi, syempre hindi yun Englishero, Tagalog lagi. Ito si Pat came from a mayaman na family. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. That's part of being an actor. I always wanted to learn more about being an actor, and thankfully na nag-guide kami nila Direk and yung mga prod.
Thank you. And Haya? Any adjustments, if any?
For me, I've been able to just fully focus on my character in this show. Because so far, I haven't had any taping days to able to. So,
thank you guys. Best of luck sa series.
Thank you so much, Sir Erwin. Alright, last but not the least, we have from
somehow ba, may nakikita kayo sa totoong buhay niyo na in a way relatable, or you see yourself na ay ganito din? And what's that?
Feeling ko po na-relate ko sa character ko dahil sa observation skills niya, and she's always thinking every single time of the day, throughout the day, tapos strategic planning siya din po. So, the guys at my high school experiences, I was very observant, very strategical thinking in terms of working smart and still working hard.
in my own way, I feel like the way that I can relate to my character is how much she cares about her loved ones and her friends, and how much she cares about making them comfortable and happy.
Siguro si Bang kasi may paninindigan talaga siya. And kapag nandun na siya sa part na pinag-uusapan niya sa pag-aaral, sobrang seryoso na siya. Ginagawa niya talaga yung best niya. And sobrang parang family-oriented, sobrang family person si Bang. So siguro doon ako nakaka-relate kasi kapag nasa trabaho na kami, seryoso na rin, nandun na rin kami sa punto na parang okay, focus muna tayo sa trabaho. And also sa family, syempre, I always see to it na meron akong oras sa family ko, and I always put my family as a priority first. Same as Bang. So, yeah.
Okay.
For me, siguro yung his dad always wanted what he really wants. So, hindi siya mapahali kung hindi niya makuha. So, he has this eager na he always want to try everything para makuha yung gusto niya. So, yeah, I think it kind of relate to that.
Okay. Okay, another question na. For Atasha. Atasha kasi lifestyle Bulaga, parang ang pinapakita mo doon yung jolly side mo, somehow parang pwede na ay pwede maging komedyante itong si Atasha. Pero dito naman sa Bad Genius, I think it's, although it's still a youth-oriented, pero more serious yung atake. So, would you say na eventually, mas gusto mong makilala bilang seryoso actress or paano?
Para sa akin po, I think I want to try all types of acting. I want to continue to develop my craft. And I'm enjoying the process of being an actor, and I'm having so much fun throughout this whole experience. Learning so much. So, in terms of roles na masyadong serious or light, of course, I'm super game to do it. Basta I give my 100%. Yan po ang rule. Sinabi ko yan dati. Hanggang ngayon, I will always give my 100% best.
Okay, thank you. Last question naman na, so pahirit na ng lahat. Siyempre, we all know na, sa inyo naman po ito, siyempre, we all know na yung Mutya ng Section A ay talaga namang naging phenomenal, di ba? May pressure ba sa inyong lahat to top it or mapantayan man lang?
Wala naman pong pressure kasi this show is also different from Mutya and vice versa. But the thing is, both shows are both from Viva, pero all of the actors, even sa Mutya, even dito po sa Bad Genius, even sa Uni-Series, we always give our best. And we have no comparison or no expectation of what the result would be. Basta yung expectation is that we always bring our best sa day of work, day of taping, and whatever it be.
Yeah, siguro same with Dash, no? Parang we're working under one roof. At the end of the day, we all work as a team. Parang may AMSE, may Univercada, may Bad Genius. At the end of the day, ang goal lang naman namin mapasaya yung mga viewers natin eh. Ang goal natin mapalakas ang Viva One para sa lahat din. Sa mga tao sa likod ng camera, sa ad-pro people natin, and syempre sa amin, para hindi rin kami tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga series na ginagawa namin, diba? So at the end of the day, magkakakampi kami dito, and it's really hard to compare each other kasi magkakaiba talaga yung atake ng bawat isa eh. We're on the mature LG side, Univercada is mature but yet bubbly, alam yun, I mean not bubbly pero mas magaan kesa sa amin, and yung AMSE is more on the lighter side naman of university series. So everything is different, everything has their own genre and own tatak, diba? Pero at the end of the day, we're all working as a team. Basta masaya kami na malakas yung Viva One, masaya kaming lahat, masaya lahat ng tao, diba?
Thank you, Giles. Gavin, Hyacinth, ang last na si Direk.
Actually, same with Jai. Like what he said, same thing lang po kami sa Viva One. And of course, pressure is always gonna be there. It's a big show, and Viva trusted us with this show, so it's all about like overcoming the pressure, be comfortable with each other, and sana po at mabigay namin yung mapasaya po namin kayo. Pero at the end of the day, we're happy because we gave her 100% best sa show na to. And actually, we're really happy na successful po yung mga ginagawa ng Viva One kasi that means more project po yun.
Yes, the beautiful thing is that every show is about something, it has something different. It offers something new, something different, something unique. And it's fun because, you know, it makes everyone happy, and if someone's feeling Thriller, they'll watch Thriller. If they want to feel like happy, sad, they can, you know, go into other shows. Every show has a different story and has a different message.
Direk.
Parang baliktad yata po yung sa akin. Para yes, of course, for me, may pressure din. I mean, may pressure in a way that, because this is an adaptation eh. I mean, ilang beses na nilabas, marami ng variations yung buong material. So parang, how can we make it something new and then something na panonoorin? Kasi alam na naman ng tao what's the story of Bad Genius. From the movie to the series, everybody knows what will happen, di ba? So, paano natin ito babaguhin? I mean, I'm pretty sure yung pressure hindi lang sa akin. I mean, the whole staff, kumbaga lahat, from the production design, the costume design, I mean, we even study all the color palettes na dapat namin gamitin, all the colors and all the materials para masabi namin, okay, iba to, iba yung lalabas dito. Even the lighting, the DOP, and then kumbaga the whole, kahit the live producers, I mean the creatives, nandun din yung pressure to meet na what are the expectations. Kasi malaki siyang material eh. I mean, lahat ng tao na manonood nito, it's either napanood yung movie or the series or may certain expectations that you have to meet. So parang, paano natin tatapatan yun? What can we do? What can we offer new? Anong bago dito? Ano yung nabigay ng ibang series na hindi nila naibigay that maybe we could concentrate on that. So lahat ng factors na yun we consider. So kung sa pressure, I mean, it's a good thing na may pressure sa amin. I mean, for me, ako personally na may pressure sa akin kasi kung hindi ka na-pressure doon sa isang material, baka nagiging lax ka na doon sa pagtrabaho nito. So yun.
Like, may binago din kayo sa kwento? Were you given the right to somehow change?
Yes, marami kaming, di man siguro binago. We keep the core. Kumbaga yung core na doon. Pero in terms of how we're going to discuss the story, marami kaming binago. We keep, of course, nandun kumbaga yung school life nila, nandun kung paano nag-intensify. Pero in terms of intensity, we make sure na dito, napagod sila. No. I mean, talaga makikita mo dun sa buong material na papalapit ang finale ng series. This is no longer a school cheating. Gagawin na yung series. At some point, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin basta may mangyayari doon sa buong serye na magiging siya yung fulcrum ng lahat na piik na. Hindi na kami estudyante. We're, diba, gagawin na nila yung life and pagkita yung Rose out the school and how the cheating become sobrang laki at kung paano ma-affectan yung personal life nila.
Thank you. Actually, base sa